Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pranati, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. Today we are discussing a topic in analysis and design of algorithms. The topic is merge sort algorithm. Let us go to the algorithm. Introduction to merge sort algorithm. Merge sort is a popular sorting algorithm that follows the divide and conquer pattern. Here is a basic introduction to how it works. Divide. Divide the unsorted list array into two halves recursively until each sublist contains only one element. Conquer. Merge the smaller sorted sublist back together to form a single sorted list. This merging process involves comparing elements from each sublist and arranging them in a order. Combine. Continue merging sublists back together until the list is sorted. Key points about merge sort. It's efficient with a time complexity of O n log n in the average and worst cases. It's stable, meaning it preserves the relative order of equal elements. It requires additional space proportional to the size of the input for the merging processes, which can be drawback for a large data sets. Let us go through the steps. The first is divide step. The divide step in a merge sort algorithm is crucial as it breaks down the unsorted list into smaller sublists until each sublist contains only one element. This makes the merging processes straightforward since a single element list is inherently sorted. Here is a more detailed look at the divide step. Identify the middle point. Calculate the middle index of the array to divide into two halves. Recursively divide the array. Continually dividing each half recursively until each sublist contains a single element. The next step is conquer step. The conquer step in the merge sort algorithm involves merging the smaller sorted sublist back together to form a single sorted list. This merging process is crucial because it ensures that the final result is a sorted array. When you have a two sorted sublist, you need to merge them into a single sorted list. Merge step. The merge step is a concept commonly used in algorithms, especially in sorting and data processing. It typically refers to combining two or more pre-sorted sequences or data structures into a single sorted sequence or structures. Time complexity of merge sort. The time complexity of merge sort is O n log n. It is efficient for sorting large data sets. The divide and conquer approach ensures a balanced partitioning of the array. Space complexity of merge sort. While merging two arrays, we require an auxiliary space to temporarily store the merged array before we plug this partially sorted array into the main array. Hence, the space complexity of merge sort is O n, as we require an auxiliary array as big as a main input array. Stability of merge sort. Merge sort is a stable sort, which means that the same element in an array maintain their original positions with respect to each other. Overall, time complexity of merge sort is O n log n. It is more efficient as it is in worst case. Also, the runtime is O n log n. Applications of merge sort. Merge sort is highly efficient sorting algorithm that falls under the category of divide and conquer algorithms. Here are some applications and benefits of using merge sort algorithm. Sorting arrays. The primary application of merge sort is to sort arrays of list efficiently. It consistently performs at O n log n time complexity, making it suitable for large data sets. External sorting. Merge sort is particularly useful in scenarios where data is too large to fit into memory at once. External sorting. The conclusion part of this merge sort algorithm is merge sort is a powerful and efficient sorting algorithm based on divide and conquer sequence. It consistently performs at O n log n time complexity, making it suitable for large data sets. Its stability ensures the preservation of the relative order of equal elements, which is beneficial in many applications. Furthermore, merge sort adaptability for external sorting and parallel computing enhances its utility in handling massive datasets and multi-core systems. Despite its higher space complexity compared to some in-place sorting algorithms, merge sort's advantages make it a fundamental algorithm in composite and composite science and software engineering. Thank you everyone.